Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video I'll show you one of the best or coolest trick for your iPhone. In this video I'll show you how to make your device or iPhone change wallpaper as per dark mode or light mode. So whenever you set your device to dark mode, the wallpaper will be dark, and whenever you set your device to light mode, the wallpaper change back to light mode. So as per your dark mode or light mode, the wallpaper will be dark or light. As you can see on screen, whenever I am tapping on the icon, it is changing the device mode, that is your dark mode or light mode, and along with your dark mode light mode, the wallpaper also changing, right? So as per dark mode, dark wallpaper, and as per light mode, the light wallpaper. And guys, before showing you this trick, okay, let me tell you one thing, that on the internet there is another trick where you can change your wallpapers in a single tap. So guys, I am the one who founded this trick on the internet. Okay, the video link will be description. Okay, just go and check. In a single tap you can change the wallpapers on your device. So now let's see about new trick of changing wallpaper as per your dark mode to light mode. Okay, so basically it's a shortcut. I personally created this. If you see here, this is a command or action I given them. Okay, I personally made this on my device. The link will be in description. Okay, please go and add to your device. But before that, do one thing. Open settings application, scroll down and find shortcut. And once you do that, make sure that you are enabled or allowed adding your third-party shortcuts on your device. Okay, once you do that, now do one thing. Just go and find the shortcut link in my video description. Okay, just click on the link and it will open this screen. So here, do one thing. Just scroll down till the end and just click on add the shortcut, and this will be added to your device in an application. So guys, once you have a shortcut in your device, now do one thing. Open photos and create two albums, that is your light and dark. So rename them as a one as a light and one as a dark. So light album will have a light wallpapers and dark will have a dark wallpapers. Creating album is very easy. Just tap on plus icon and create an album with new name or light or dark name. Or else do one thing, select all the photos of a light or dark mode and share and click to add to album, and here create a new album with a light or a dark name. Just make sure that in a camera roll you have two albums with a light and dark. Light will have light wallpapers and dark will have a dark wallpapers. And guys, after all this, adding a shortcut or creating albums in a photo gallery, that is your light and dark. Okay, now open shortcut application and now open the new line shortcut in your device, that is your dark and light. Open that. Okay, and here click on three dots at the right side and here choose add to home screen. So here you can customize it by changing the app icon, that is your just tap on the icon. Okay, choose file, choose photo from camera roll. Okay, choose the image, crop it and set as a app icon and click on add. Once you do that, the icon will be added to your home screen. So now go back to home screen and here is your icon. So the icon is ready. So whenever you tap on the icon, okay, it will change the current mode, okay, light to dark, and along with that it will change the wallpaper from light to dark. So as per the current mode, the wallpaper will change. So light mode, light wallpaper, dark mode, dark wallpaper. So guys, I hope you like this cool trick for your iPhone. Make sure that you are on iOS 14.3 for the trick. Okay, and then lastly, if you like this video, if you like this trick, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iOS update, iOS tricks, iOS apps and games, and iOS solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.